1, 2, 3. Creation, fall, flood, nation. 4,000 years ago. 4 Persian, Salt, Sarah, Abraham, Lut, Tara, Tigris, Euphrates, Haran, Paradise, Sea of Galilee, Jordan River, Dead Sea, Mediterranean, Israel, Ishmael, Isaac, Esau, Jacob, Joseph, Egypt, Jews, Egypt, 400 years bondage, Moses, let my people go. No. 10 plagues, Passover, Red Sea, Mount Sinai, Law, Tabernacle, Levites and priests, offering and feast, containing the phrases, Kadesh Oasis, 12 spies, Holy 12 spies, wonders dies, Moses, second law dies, Joshua, Jordan, Jericho, divide, conquer, south, north, divide, settle, 12 tribes. Judges, 400 years, Deborah, Gideon, Samson, everyone did what was right into his own eyes except Ruth and Samuel. Saul, Noah, David, Horhad, Solomon, Ahab. Shabash.